Need to type a square symbol in Excel? Here are two ways to do it quickly. Select the cell containing your text and highlight just the number 2. Next, go to the Home tab and click the small arrow launcher in the bottom corner of the font group. This opens the Format Cells window. Under the Effects section, check the box next to Superscript and then click OK. Now you cannot do this for the number cell. For that, right-click on Number Cell. Format Cells here in Number section, you have to change from General to Text and click OK. Now you can do it from this way. But there is another way. The second way is the symbol method. Click on the cell where you want the symbol, then go up to the Insert tab on your top menu bar. On the far right, click on Symbol. In the window that pops up, change the subset dropdown to superscripts and subscripts. Find and click on the small number 2, hit Insert, and then close the window. And there you go. If these quick tricks helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast Excel tutorials.